Cardano cost exceptionally equivalent to $0.3654 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.3643-0.3732, or so they in a real sense thought. The earlier day close, 0.3723, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The change explicitly was 0.0069, 1.85% amazingly. Reverse rate, USD to ADA in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially huge manner. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, genuinely least 0.35, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.37, genuinely greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34, which really is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.41, all things considered, greatest 0.44, genuinely least 0.38. Cardano gauge on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.40, most certainly greatest 0.43, truly least 0.37 in a by and large enormous manner. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.41, sort of most extreme 0.44, in every way that really matters, least 0.38, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano gauge on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.40, kind of greatest 0.43, extremely least 0.37, which generally is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.43, genuinely greatest 0.46, really least 0.40 in a for the most part enormous manner. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.43, exceptionally greatest 0.46, kind of least 0.40 amazingly. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.41, lovely greatest 0.44, especially least 0.38 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.41, especially most extreme 0.44, especially least 0.38, which certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $0.43, truly most extreme 0.46, kind of least 0.40 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Cardano figure on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.47, kind of most extreme 0.50, genuinely least 0.44, which by and large is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.45, genuinely most extreme 0.48, kind of least 0.42 in a quite large manner. Cardano estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.47, truly greatest 0.50, for the most part least 0.44 in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.45, especially most extreme 0.48, lovely least 0.42, which essentially is very critical. Cardano conjecture on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.43, most certainly greatest 0.46, most certainly least 0.40, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.43, by and large greatest 0.46, especially least 0.40 in a very huge way. Cardano estimate on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $0.42, truly greatest 0.45, really least 0.39 amazingly. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday. April, 20, cost $0.42, especially most extreme 0.45, fundamentally least 0.39, which truly is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April, 24, cost $0.40, greatest 0.43, lovely least 0.37 in an unpretentious way. Cardano figure on Tuesday. April, 25, cost $0.39, especially greatest 0.42, especially least 0.36 in an extremely enormous way. USD to ADA swapping scale truly equivalent to 2.7367 coins per $1. Today, S-reach, 2.6795 minus 2.7450 in a genuinely huge way. The past day, S nearby, 2.6860, which certainly is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.0507, plus 1.89%, which sort of is very critical. USD to ADA cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday. Walk 27 cost 2.632 coins. Essentially most extreme 2.857, fundamentally least 2.439, which especially is very critical. USD to ADA forecast on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 2.703 coins. Kind of greatest 2.941, truly least 2.500. Or so they basically thought. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 2.439 coins. Essentially greatest 2.632, lovely least 2.273 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ADA forecast on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 2.500 coins. Sort of most extreme 2.703. By and large least 2.326. In multi-week dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday. Walk 31 cost 2.439 coins. Beautiful most extreme 2.632, lovely least 2.273, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. USD to ADA expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 2.500 coins. Really greatest 2.703, certainly least 2.326, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Cardano figure on Tuesday. April 4 cost 2.326 coins, sort of most extreme 2.500, truly least 2.174, which especially shows that USD to ADA cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Thursday. April 6 cost 2.439 coins, sort of greatest 2.632, in every practical sense, least 2.273 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days USD to ADA forecast on Friday. April 7 cost 2.439 coins, essentially greatest 2.632, truly least 2.273 in an especially huge way. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday. April 10 cost 2.326 coins, especially greatest 2.500, least 2.174, which explicitly is genuinely critical. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday. April 11 cost 2.128 coins, truly greatest 2.273, certainly least 2.000, or so they generally thought. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday. April 13 cost 2.128 coins, lovely most extreme 2.273, in every practical sense, least 2.000 in a genuinely enormous way. In 3 weeks dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday. April 14 cost 2.222 coins, greatest 2.381, sort of least 2.083 amazingly. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday. April 19 cost 2.381 coins, truly most extreme 2.564, truly least 2.222, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday. April 20 cost 2.381 coins, truly most extreme 2.564, lovely least 2.222, showing how Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday.